Bam! My homies bring cake to me on my birthday at 12 o'clock. Wow, this is insane. Yo, what's up, yo? Another day at Beijing. Today we are coming for snowboarding here. Today is my birthday, so wish me all. This for the birthday breakfast. Gonna do sliding from here over there. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool, insane. I do that ice skiing, but I never tried this one. I'm gonna do it. This will be insane. That top of the hill will be insane. This is cool. Okay, bye bye. Here I'm going. Woo! I'm going up now. Yeah, this is insane. This is so cool.
Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Now I have to slide down from here. I already did it, but I'm running like here, falling backward from there. Wow, damn, this is awesome. I did some few minutes to learn this thing. Now I'm on the half of the way. I don't want to slide normal. I want to do some stunts. I want to go up there and sliding from there, but I don't have helmet. That's why I can go up there. Yay! I'm going up to slide down again. Where am I, boy?
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
We're about to slide down. Me and my boy Samuel slide down. We're waiting to slide down. Oh, let's go! This is gonna be the last. It's getting dark, so we will go. Oh, this is gonna be awesome! Wow, gang! It's so fucking cool. All my pants get snow. So cool. Woo! Bye bye. I'm about to go. Oh, all my pants get snow, and woo! Today was amazing. But no one is there to record what I was sliding. Now we're going to Temple of Heaven. Yesterday was late. Yesterday we went for skiing on a mountain. Now we are going at Temple of Heaven. This is a very famous temple here in Beijing. Now you see the view of Temple of Heaven. See the main view of Temple of Heaven. Oh, now let's see what's inside the Temple of Heaven.
Though our friendship ceases from now on.
Chinese are so cool, you know. Just now I lost my ticket. If I lose my ticket, I can enter this entrance and I can see all these things, all these views. But when I said I lost my ticket, they asked me to show the photo that I take in front of Temple of Heaven. So I saw them and they let me to enter. What a cool! I like them, I respect them. Now I'm entering here. Woo. No, we're leaving. We're going out now. Oh, this whole temple is made up of marble, like Taj Mahal, one of the wonder world.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say